Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the change values in dictionary. Okay, already in previous video also we see this point. Okay, but I will explain it later. I will explain it again. Let's have a look here. See, you can change the value of a specific item by the referring to its key name. Okay, if you want to change any item, okay, if you want to change any value, okay, any value in the dictionary you have by using, okay, in between the square braces we have mentioned key value is equal to, key is equal to, if you want to change the value. Okay, I'll see one example. See here, I'm taking profile. Okay, profile is a variable and I'm taking one dictionary, that is name Ashok, and age is equal to, age is 34, and job, okay, job is trainer, okay, trainer, and year, okay, whatever may be joining year, birth year, whatever may be. See here I am mentioning 1991. Okay, here 1991. Suppose if I want to change the value of the year, okay, I'll change like this. First you mention profile variable name. Okay, variable name, after you keep square braces, under square braces you mention year. Okay, you mention year is equal to, okay, if you want to change year, you have to update, that is 1994. Okay, here I'm updating as 1994. Okay, see, let's have a look to output. Okay, print profile. Okay, print profile. See, initially we have stored value in year key value is 1991. Okay, now that is I am updating as 1994. Let's have a look here. See, 1994 updated. Okay, instead of 1991, 1994 updated. Okay, if you want to change the value of key, you can change like this. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. And we have one more way. Okay, we have one more way, that is by using update method. Okay, that is by using update method. Okay, let's have a look here. The update method will update the dictionary with the items from the given argument. Okay, if you want to change here, you can change like this. Okay, initially first you mention, okay, initially first you mention variable name dot update. Okay, under update, okay, you can update this. Okay, see here I am taking profile. Okay, profile as a variable name, which was I given. Okay, update. Okay, update, under update method you can change year like this. Okay, here I'm changing 1994. Okay, let's have a look. See, here change like this. Okay, if you want to change values in the dictionary, you can change in these two ways. Okay, one is by using square braces, and the second one is by using update method. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. You can do practice, you can understand very easily. Okay, thank you so much.